Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is over. Here are some words related to the base word. Overall, overcome, overcrowded, overdue, overdose, overdue, overflow, overhead, overheard, overjoyed, overlap, overpass, overpay, overrule, overran, oversee, overtake, overthrow, overtime, overuse, overwork. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. They went over the plan before they began to work. The overall experience was amazing. She had to overcome her fears. The stadium was overcrowded for the game. Remember not to overdo walking to avoid injuries. Taking an overdose of medicine is dangerous. The library book is overdue for return. Heavy rains caused the river to overflow. The birds are flying overhead. She overheard them planning a surprise party for her. She was overjoyed by the surprise party. The circles overlap in the middle. We used the overpass to cross the busy highway. The employer decided to overpay the employee for his hard work. The judge had to overrule the objection of the defense lawyer. The crowd overran the field during the game. The supervisor had to oversee the construction project. The sports car was able to overtake all the other cars. The rebels tried to overthrow the government. He had to work overtime to meet the deadline. Overuse of the computer can strain your eyes. She was exhausted from the long hours of overwork. Now let's review. Over, overall, overcome, overcrowded, overdue, overdose, overdue, overflow, overhead, overheard, overjoyed, overlap, overpass, overpay, overrule, overran, oversee, overtake, overthrow, overtime, overuse, overwork. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.